GRL Engineers offers bidirectional static load testing services with the GRL cell. Depending upon the foundation type and its capacity, load tests can be performed with jack assemblies consisting of a single cell, multiple cells at a single level, or cells at multiple levels. When pressurized, the cell expands, applying an equivalent upward and downward load. The jack assembly with GRL cells is inserted into and attached to the reinforcement cage at the specified location. A TREMI guide is constructed to direct the TREMI pipe or pump line past the jack assembly. Hydraulic hoses from each cell are attached to the cage. Thermal integrity profiling wires are attached for subsequent integrity testing. Embedded strain gauges are attached for determining resistance distribution. Concrete is placed in the shaft from the base upward via a TREMI pipe or pump line. After required concrete curing and strength gain, GRL cells apply incremental loads both upwards and downwards. The GRL cells expand, mobilizing the shaft resistance above and below the jack assembly, as well as the base resistance.